Hello, hello, hello. It's Dr. Dawn, and it's time for intuition test number 5. Okay, so if you've been following along with me, we have been learning all of the different processes that we go through to enhance and use our intuition to help strengthen our internal guidance system, thus helping us to navigate more effectively during our day-to-day lives, okay? So last time we talked about one of the intuitive gifts known as clairaudience. This time we're going to talk about another intuitive gift or ability, which is clairvoyance, the gift of vision, not this vision with your physical eyes, but the gift of vision in your mind's eye. This is where you learn to see internally from within, okay? Understand, you guys, that your vision goes beyond this physical realm, what you see right in front of you. There's a whole lot going on within you. Okay, so when you use or see from within, you will recognize that you will see things intuitively that are in response to questions or concerns that you may have that you are not getting the answers to in your physical presence. You're getting them within your mind's eye, within you. So today we're going to do a little practice using our mind's eye and developing or enhancing our clairvoyance. I'm actually going to think of a color, okay? And you guys are going to use your mind's eye to help you retrieve or identify the color that I'm thinking of. Now I'm going to make it easy and give you a choice of 3 colors, okay? The colors are red, yellow, or blue, all right? Again, 3 colors, I'm going to choose one, red, yellow, or blue. Now, for some people, close your eyes. This makes it better. Close your eyes, and I want you to connect with your internal higher self, and I want you to ask yourself, is Dr. Dawn thinking of the color red, yellow, or blue? And wait for it. Look at what appears in your mind's eye. Okay, here we go. I'm going to look in the envelope and show you the color I chose. Red. Okay, for those of you who picked red, yay! You have to be present to tap into your clairvoyance. That way you can rule out outside kind of things and suggestions, okay? So practice, practice, practice. Our time is up. I will see you next time, and we will do another activity, okay, to enhance and strengthen our intuition. Bye-bye.